Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Zoom is giving us the ultimate get-out-of-meetings free card, a digital version of yourself. With a quick recording, your AI twin can jump into those endless video calls, talk for you, and even sound like it cares.
I don't care.
This tech marvel could redefine multitasking or just make it easier to sneak in a nap. Imagine sending your AI twin to a date. It's charming, attentive, and says all the right things. Basically, everything you're not. Raspberry Pi is back at it, rolling out the Pico 2W, a pint-sized microcontroller now boasting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's like its older sibling, but with more connectivity, all while staying easy on the wallet. Perfect for developers, tinkerers, and anyone trying to make their smart toaster smarter. With this tiny powerhouse, your DIY tech projects just leveled up. It's like giving your toddler a smartphone. Suddenly, they're streaming cartoons and ordering pizzas while you're still figuring out the parental controls. PlayAI, formerly known as PlayAI, has unveiled a new feature that allows users to clone voices on demand.
Oh God, I'm a clone.
This technology enables seamless integration of text-to-speech capabilities into applications, offering a range of predefined voices and the option to clone unique ones.
Wow!
Users can adjust intonation, cadence, and tone to create natural-sounding speech.
The speech that everyone needs to hear.
It's like having your favorite TV character narrate your life. Suddenly, doing laundry feels like a plot twist. Apple's fascination with the TV market is the tech equivalent of a soap opera. Long, dramatic, and no real resolution in sight. Once again, rumors are bubbling up that Apple is working on its own smart TV. Insiders suggest the company is eyeing partnerships with display manufacturers to craft a product that's sleek,
That's good thinking.
premium, and undeniably Apple. Yet, like a movie with too many sequels, this story keeps building anticipation without delivering. Will Apple finally hit the market, or is this just another episode of Coming Soon? Apple's relationship with TVs is like that ex who says, "Let's give it another shot," but somehow forgets to show up to the date. Rocket Lab just pulled off a cosmic hat trick, launching 2 missions from opposite sides of the globe in less than a day.
How?
That's right. While some of us struggle to get out of bed in the morning, Rocket Lab managed to send satellites soaring from New Zealand and Virginia. The kicker? They aced both missions like they were just out for a Sunday stroll. These rockets are basically the gym rats of space exploration, always lifting and never skipping launch day.
5, 4, 3.
2 launches, 2 hemispheres. Rocket Lab's global flex is louder than a guitarist shredding solos on every continent. Molyon, a spin-off from Cambridge's Materials Science Brain Trust, is charging ahead with lighter, more efficient batteries that promise to reshape how we power everything from electric vehicles to smartphones.
I love it. Fantastic.
Picture your devices lasting longer and your EVs driving farther, all without the extra bulk.
It just makes sense.
It's like packing for a vacation with just a carry-on. Only this time, it's your battery doing all the heavy lifting. Molyon's batteries could outlast a TV series binge session on a cross-country flight. Now you just need a show as groundbreaking as this tech. Huawei has unleashed its Mate 70 series, powered by Harmony OS Next, stepping boldly away from Android. With cutting-edge cameras, supercharged batteries, and storage space that rivals a mini hard drive, this phone isn't just smart, it's practically clairvoyant.
Are you serious?
Whether you're a shutterbug a power user, or just want your phone to last through a full Netflix binge, the Mate 70 is here to impress. It's like the James Cameron of smartphones. Big, bold, and always innovating.
We can't wait for you to join this adventure.
This phone's camera setup is so sharp it could direct the next Mission Impossible film, starring your dog as the lead. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.